Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a document on your iPad. First, open the document you wish to sign in an app like Files or Mail. Look for the markup icon, which often looks like a pen tip, and tap it. This action will open the document in a special editing mode, ready for your signature. This process is quick and efficient, allowing you to handle important paperwork on the go. Once your document is open, locate and tap the markup icon, typically found at the top of your screen. This will activate the editing tools. Next, tap the plus sign icon, usually in the bottom right corner, to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, select Signature to begin the process of adding your personal mark to the document. Now a signature pad will appear. Use your finger or an Apple Pencil to sign your name clearly on the line provided. Once you are satisfied with your signature, tap Done in the top right corner to save it. Your signature will then appear on the document, ready for you to position and adjust as needed. After placing and adjusting your signature, tap Done in the top left corner of the screen to finalize your changes. You will then be prompted to save the document. Choose Save File To, and select your desired location, such as iCloud Drive or your iPad. Finally, you can easily share your signed document through email or other applications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.